There's my good dog. You're so happy this morning, aren't you?
Ah, that's better. Good morning, my sweet boy. Did you have a good sleep? You look like you missed me. Look at you go, you rascal. Keep away from the flowers. Woof, 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 woof.
There, my good boy. Almost done. Happy panting and soft whimper.
Good boy. Shall we keep going? We have a little farther to go. Well, hello there, my good boy. Did you wait for me? What is it? Stop barking. Shh, what do you see? Something in the trees? Arf, arf, arf. Heidi, what's wrong? Woof, woof, woof. What is it, boy? Come on, you have to follow me. It's urgent. Oh, dear God, what is it? Come on, let's go. Faster, hurry. Are you all right? Roof, roof. Bark, bark. Come on. No, I have to go inside. Bark, bark. Leave it. But... Keep going, boy. We're almost there. Arf, arf. Keep up, old boy. We're almost there. Arf. I have to keep going. Almost there. Mother, wait for us. No time. Go.
Help! Get off the tracks! Move! Winnie! Panic! Winnie!
Oh, you poor thing. Don't move. Whimper. Hold still, my dear. I'm gonna try to cut this wire. Easy, easy. Don't worry, sweetie. I got this. Whinnying.
Bark! 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 Bark!
Hold still, my beauty. Just one more. Easy, old girl. You'll be free. Hold still, just a little bit more. Easy, girl. We're almost there. Woof! There, you're free. Let's go. Not yet, just a bit more. It's gonna snap. Just hang on. There, it's done. Just one more loop. Hold still, girl. Just a little more. Got it? Bark, bark, bark. Woof, woof. What is it, boy? What's wrong? Bark, bark. Woof. Come on. Gah. Bend. Keep going, you've almost got it. It's through. You're free now. Hold still now, just a little more. It's almost through. Hold on tight. Hush, my sweet girl. Hush. Just a few more seconds. Stay with me. Good girl. Come, hurry, now.
Oh, dear. What is it?
Run. Train coming. I've got it. Just a little more. There. It's done. Thank goodness. Get off the tracks! Move now! Get off! Nay! Go, go! Move it now! God help us! Oh no! Run! Run! Oh my God! Help me! Oh my, that was too close. Breathe, Mum, breathe. You're safe now. You poor thing. I'm here. Rest now. Soft wind. Easy now, my beauty. I'm just looking. It's all right, I'll fix it. Oh, you poor dear. You're gonna have a baby, aren't you? My heart breaks for you. You will be safe now, little one. I'm bringing you home. Come on, Mother, you can do it. Just a little further. Good girl. Keep going, my dear. We're almost there. Just a little further. Come on in, my dear. Slow and steady. It's safe in here now. There, good girl. This should be nice and soft for you to rest. Here, my dear. Take a long, refreshing drink. There, my dear girl. It will be all right. Just a little longer. There, my dear. I know it hurts. Easy now. I'm just looking. Good girl. It's all right. You're going to be okay. You're such a good girl. It's all right. You'll be healed soon. Sleep now. There you go, my beauty. Just a little more. You're safe now. Here you are, my dear. Eat well. Thank you. You rest, my dear. I'll watch over you.
Watch out for...
Soft nickering. You're a good boy, aren't you? Stay close now. Rest now, my dear. It's over. You're safe. Good morning, my beauty. There. Easy now. There you go, my dear. Fresh and cool for you. Drink up.
Good morning, my dear. Look what I brought you. Eat well, you are doing so well. I'm so glad to see you eating again, my dear. You're such a gentle creature. There, that's it.
Come on out, my girl. Take your time.
Careful, step.
Careful steps now, that's it.
That's it.
Just a few minutes, all right? Easy now. Good girl. Here, have a treat. You're a brave one, just like your mother.
Keep breathing, my sweet. Let me listen again.
The time is almost here.
Wake up. What is it, boy? Outside. Something's here.
What is it, boy? What's wrong? Quiet now.
Almost there, girl. Hang in there. Whimper.
It's all right, my love. I'm here now. Just breathe. Winnie? Yes, yes. She'll be here soon.
It's okay, my dear. I'm here. You'll be all right.
Es ist gut, Müsli. Du schaffst das. Fast geht. Wir sind da. Nur noch ein bisschen. Komm, druck, druck. Es ist da. Ja, mein Liebes, gut gemacht. Willkommen.
Oh, little one, you're safe. Thank goodness you're safe. Almost there, little one. Keep going. Welcome to the world. There, little one, all dry now. Soft, Winnie? Yes, you're a good boy. Welcome, my dear ones. You are finally here.
Time to go out, boy. Good boy. Go on.
Oh, you did it. Look at you. You did it. You rest now, my friend. We've come too far today.
Mama?
Come along, my dear. It's safe here, a good warm place.
Whinnies softly.
That's right, just inside.
You're both all right?
Good morning, my sweethearts. You're a good mother. Don't worry, help is here. Eat up, you need your strength. Sleep well, little one. Come on in now, you two. There's plenty of space for you here. Knicker, Winnie.
You understand, don't you? Quiet, Pants. It's time for them to go home. Time to go to the plateau, my beauty. We are coming, grandmother.
Goodbye, my loves. Safe travels. Watch over them, boy. I will.
Goodbye, my loves. Be free. Winnies. Knicker.
Goodbye, my beautiful friends. Soft Knicker, Whimpers. I'll miss you both.
You are free now, my friend. Go. Nay.
Hello there, little one. It's good to see you this morning.
You're so brave, aren't you? Come along, my dear ones. The meadow awaits you.
Thank you, my friend. Winnie. Farewell, until next time.
Goodbye, my dear. Thank you for everything. I'll miss you, my dear friend. Thank you for everything. Ah, that is just what I needed. Good boy. Are you enjoying the garden too?
Arf, arf, arf. Arf, arf. Oh, you two are still here. Safe and sound.
You're a good boy, aren't you?
Panting sounds.
I missed you too. Here you are, my good boy. Dinner's ready.
I remember it so clearly now. The fear, the hope, and the grateful smiles.
Well, hello there, my sweet boy. Did you miss me already? Yes, I did. You're the best. Good morning. Good morning, little ones. You look strong today.